Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Hedera Hashgraph. This video is going to be very important for all of you because this is the big news video about Hedera Hashgraph. So before starting this video guys, please if you are new on my channel guys, subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, the latest price of the Hedera Hashgraph in the market is 0.19 USD dollar. 0.19 USD dollar is the latest price of the Hedera Hashgraph in the market. And furthermore my friends, if you want about 24 hours trading volume, total supply, available supply, market cap, every update is present here. But my friends, let me show you the big news about pancake swap. My friends, the crashing time of the cake starts now, so I think that's really a big news for all of you, that the latest situation of the pancake swap, I'm talking about Hedera Hashgraph, sorry for it. Now my friends, just the latest situation of the Hedera Hashgraph HBAR token is completely negative, so that's a big news update for all of you. You know what, a lot of people when see small fall, so they understand that now the falling time of the Hedera Hashgraph will start now, and now that is the continuously falls of the Hedera Hashgraph. No my friend, that is a temporary falls. After 1 day, after 2 days, the price of the Hedera Hashgraph will again positive, and again they will give you profit. So that's not mean that you decide to sell, my friends. Never decide to sell, just hold it, my friends. Absolutely, if you hold, so they give you profit, not loss in the future, my friends. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.